My name's Tom DiNardo. I am the Wine Zealot, and on today's show, we're going to be exploring a topic that's near and dear to my heart. I'm an amateur mycologist, and mycology is the study of mushrooms, or fungus. So again, we have Doug, who's the chef at Cafe Adagio, who works with the owner, Dianna Del Giorgio, and he's our wonderful chef today that's helped to prepare the mushrooms. So you're also a club member. What's your favorite part of the club? I have a feeling I think I already know.
For me personally, it's really just this experience that we get to have with the members here, seeing all the different mushrooms that have been foraged right out of the wild, and the services that they provide, the identification is really, you can't beat it. I mean, you can buy the book, but unless you understand how to really go through and classify the mushrooms, you're going to be kind of lost until you come to this show, experience what we have to offer here, try a little bit of the mushrooms, and yeah, just come on down. It's a really great experience that we're having here, and I highly recommend it for families. Everyone should come down and see what we have to offer here at the mushroom show.
So ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to introduce Dianna Del Giorgio. Her restaurant here in Bellingham is Cafe Adagio, and she provides the services for cooking up the chanterelle, shiitake, oysters, and bear's head mushroom. And I'm going to sort of make a little segue here, because this job I used to do, but we needed to have someone with the appropriate licensing, etc. So Dianna has been doing this for the last 3 years. So how long have, well, obviously 3 years, right? You've been preparing the mushrooms. What do you like best about being a club member?
Well, my kids absolutely love the whole experience. The kids are the ones that got me into it, and so it just gets them, exposure to learning about mycology, and so being immersed in it is a great way.
And was it the edibles that drew you into the club because of your experience as a restaurateur?
That drew me in, but my son was interested in Paul Stamets' research on cleaning up, oil spills using oyster mushrooms, and so he had an ecological interest in mycology, and we like to cook and eat, so that was kind of a natural segue into wild mushroom hunting.
So tell me about this wonderful little tidbit that I'm about to enjoy. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I have a little piece of sourdough here with some wild mushroom that I believe is a chanterelle, correct? And so how did you prepare this? I'm going to take a bite here while you answer the question here. What did you use to prepare this chanterelle?
Butter, garlic, we put a little bit of thyme, salt. We try to keep the flavors really simple to highlight the mushrooms, because we're showcasing different types of mushrooms, all cooked with the same preparation method, and then tasting different flavors.
This is terrific. She did an awesome job, ladies and gentlemen. Well, Dianna, thank you again for giving us your time today and preparing these wonderful mushrooms. This is fantastic. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Dianna Del Giorgio of Cafe Adagio.